You don't need millions in funding or a team of AI engineers to start an AI startup in 2025. All you really need is a solid idea, ChatGPT, and some good old execution. In this video, I'll break down how to build your own AI-powered startup using ChatGPT, step by step, from the idea generation to the launch and monetization. Let's be clear. ChatGPT is not just a writing tool. It's your strategist, researcher, marketer, product developer, and customer assistant all in one. Think of it as your first startup co-founder, right? ChatGPT is like your partner. You're not a solo entrepreneur because we get to use platforms like ChatGPT that can help us so much if we know how to use it properly. It helps you brainstorm, validate ideas, write code, build content, write your cold emails, and so much more, all without the overhead of having to hire 5 or 6 different people to do all of those things that I just listed. If you use it right, ChatGPT will cut your launch time and price in half. Using ChatGPT is how lean startups win in 2025. The best AI startups solve real problems, not just cool use cases. So the first step is going to be validating a pain point that people will actually pay you money to solve. And to do this, we're going to use this prompt inside of ChatGPT. Give me 10 urgent problems that, insert your audience, faces daily that can be solved with an AI-powered tool or automation. Once you have your list, then you're going to ask the following questions. Is this problem expensive? Is this problem repetitive? Do people already try to solve this problem manually? Don't fall in love with the tech. Fall in love with the problem. AI is just the vehicle we are using to give these people the solution to their problem, right? So it's never about how we get the solution. It's always about focusing on what that problem is. So there's probably a way to get that same solution without using AI, right? Of course, for this video, we're going to show you how to build an AI startup. But what I'm saying is focus on the problem, because the problem is going to be how you're going to be able to actually help people and make your money. Because as long as you can solve a problem, they don't care how you solve it, as long as their problem is no longer a problem for them. Next, it's going to be time to build your MVP, which is your minimum viable product. And yes, you guessed it, ChatGPT is going to help you build this whole thing as well. So option 1, we have a no-code AI startup. Use tools like Zapier, Make.com, Airtable, or Webflow combined with ChatGPT to create AI-powered workflows with no code. Option 2 is a code-assisted MVP. If you're building a SaaS app or a browser extension, use this prompt. Write a simple version of enter your type of app that uses the OpenAI API to insert the core function. And after you do that, ChatGPT will give you the base code. The point isn't to build something perfect. It's just to build something to see if people will actually pay for it, because that is the real validation. Will somebody exchange their hard-earned money for the product that you created? Now let's talk launch. You don't need a fancy website or some kind of viral launch campaign. All you need are 2 things: eyeballs and conversations. Use ChatGPT to do the following. Write your cold outreach messages, create landing page copy in minutes, create your onboarding emails, and script your demo video. And then you want to launch on places like Reddit and Twitter communities, Product Hunt, indie hackers, Facebook groups, cold DMs, and email campaigns. You don't need thousands of users. You just need 5 to 10 different people who will say, yes, this product actually helps me. That right there is going to be your foundation. Once you've got paying users, now it's time to grow. So now you're going to use ChatGPT to do the following. Create SEO content and blog posts, generate retargeting ad copy, write pitch decks for investors, analyze user feedbacks, and prioritize features. Want to get more recurring revenue fast? Then what you're going to want to do is turn your product into a monthly subscription. Even at $19 a month, if you got 100 users, that will be $1,900 in monthly recurring revenue. Every growth lever, whether it be ads, content, or partnerships, can now be assisted using AI. Use ChatGPT to grow smarter and faster than your competitors. The AI startup landscape isn't just the future, it's the now. You don't need huge funding. You don't need a huge team. You just need an idea, ChatGPT, and execution, baby. Start small, solve a problem, get your first dollar, and then scale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you guys give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop the video just like this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.